To make a custom dialogue portrait, you'll need a base portrait image and some mouth shapes. They can all be in one image like in this example. Import your image into Unity and change the texture type to Sprite 2D and UI, and change the sprite mode to multiple. Go to your package manager and import 2D sprite package from the Unity registry. Now open the sprite editor. Select your base portrait, enter the image's height and width. Now move the image's pivot point, the blue ring, to be where you want the mouth shape to overlay. For my example, all the mouth shapes were meant to be positioned partway between the nose and chin. Change the name of the sprite if you want to keep your work organized. Repeat this process for all the mouth shapes. Move the pivot point to where you want the sprite to overlay on top of the base image. Once you have all the mouth shapes assigned, go back to the project window. Right-click and create a new Sprite Actor database. Rename the database so it's easier to find. Enter how many custom portraits you want to use in the poses slot. I'm only adding one portrait this time. The portrait's name is what the actor pose will be called. Default display name is the name that shows when you don't use an override name. If your base image is already an idle frame, you don't need to select the checkbox. In my example, the idle mouth is a separate image, so I need the checkbox enabled. Assign your base sprite to the base sprite slot. Assign your mouth shapes to the talk overlay sprites. You can change blip sounds or use a custom blip sound if you have an audio clip for it. To make your custom portrait work for dialogue, you need to add an in-game dialogue actor database component. Then you assign your sprite actor database that you made earlier. Now you can make a dialogue trigger like normal. Use your custom portrait's name for the actor pose to make your portrait appear. In this example, I set my triggers up so that when a player interacts with the Amazon box, the dialogue will play. That's all, and thanks for watching.